Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter pairing mode on your earbuds Philips. And basically we have two options how to enter pairing mode. We can enter to pairing mode automatically. If your device don't connect it with another devices, you just open the case and remove your earbuds from the case, and your earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. You can check it in the settings, in the Bluetooth. But also we can enter to pairing mode manually. At the back side of each earbud we have touch controls right here at the top. You need to press and hold it for at least 5 seconds, and then you will enter to pairing mode, and you will also see them at the device list. Now you can easily pair them by just tap at your earbuds at the device list. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.